Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. This vehicle has the white frost tri-coat in exterior color and the interior is jet black. This vehicle has a 6.2 liter V8, has the technology package which includes heads-up display, which the buttons for that are going to be right here, which you can move and brighten and also change what is on the screen up there. Also, this vehicle does have the rear camera mirror, which is in the tech package, which you can turn that on. And you can change the brightness, the zoom, and where you want it, if you want it lower or higher. Also, this vehicle has adaptive cruise control, which works with automatic emergency braking. So if a vehicle in front of you slows down, then your vehicle will slow down automatically for you. So you don't have to take it off of cruise control. It just will stay in and it will do it all for you. Also, we have heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, front and rear park assist, auto stop start, which you can turn off if you don't want it on. Also, we have Google Maps. And then also you have Google Assistant. This vehicle does have the Denali Reserve Package. It includes a sunroof. Also, we do have wireless charging down here, so your phone won't slide around like how it used to when it was in the other spot that they used to have it in. If you take a look on the outside, like I said, it is a white frost tri-coat. This vehicle does have automatic running boards. This is what the wheels look like. And this is what the bed looks like. It does have the multi-pro tailgate, which you can make it into an also step to get into the truck. If you take a look in the second row, there is a hidden compartment right here. Also, we have some little storage underneath the seats. Heated rear seats right here. That is all I have on the Sierra. If you have any questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.